How to edit section. With Edit Section, we can edit the most basic elements of a section, including layout, heading, background, divider, and sections theme edit. Now let's go into the details of these parts. In the section, click Edit Section on the right corner of the screen. First, Content. This allows us to adjust the heading, including subheading, heading, and description. You can then align the text to the left, center, or right. Next, adjust the spacing between the headings and the content. Similarly, on mobile devices, you can adjust the settings just like you would on desktop. Next is Fill Screen. Fill Screen is used to adjust the top and bottom spacing of a section, helping to create harmony in the website structure. From left to right, the options are no spacing, preset values SML corresponding to 50 pixels, 100 pixels, 150 pixels, and custom spacing. For custom spacing, there are two units, VMV Max and PX Pixels, allowing for flexible adjustments. Similarly, site margin is used to adjust the left and right spacing of a section. Set up background. In this section, you will have the following options: background color, background image, background video, background gradient. Divider. Here you can create a more diverse background using dividers to decorate the top or bottom of the section. Finally, the Theme section allows you to view and edit the theme style settings that the section is using. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.